Police Body Cam Theater begins now.
60 miles an hour on Pacelli as you passed me. Can I see your license, registration, and insurance, please?
I'm not in the process of conducting business.
I guess the man's business
So if you don't want to
is being
identify yourself, I'm just
arrested.
going to place you under arrest until your vehicle.
I'm going to make an early prediction.
Okay?
This guy's
So I
going
need
to
see your
jail.
ID, and I need to see the registration and
He
insurance
said,
of your vehicle.
I'm a
You're a
traveler.
grown
I said,
adult, so you
yeah,
can make
you
an
traveling to
decision.
jail.
Okay? So that's up to you. What do you want to do? Okay, you're going to be placed under arrest.
Even if he was playing basketball, he'd be penalized for traveling.
You're traveling to jail right now.